Hey, what does a $1 beater box look like? It's in this video, so there you go.
Hey. Yeah.
It's probably not sanitary. Whatever. It's the outside of the gloves that matters. Hi! I had to put a glove on. I can't do two things at once. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sbmitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can subscribe if you want. You don't have to. You can like. You can dislike. Apparently there's a notification bell for videos that I didn't really know was a thing. So you can do that if you're really looking forward to videos that I put out. But hey, those are your demons. Hello, pals! Hey, this box is a little bit different. The source is the same. It's a Soul Supremacy beater box, but this is something called a donation box. Now, a donation box is, let's see, Soul Supremacy releases donation boxes with the normal beater box drop on Sundays, but they only cost $1 plus shipping. So it's basically pairs that they get from sellers that they deem to have like too little value to put like on their eBay or on their website or in actual beater boxes that we beater box members can purchase. And in the true spirit of its name, all the profits from this box will be donated. After the $51 I paid for this box is recouped, any money made from this box will be donated to the Marsha P. Johnson Institute. The MPJI centers its efforts on defending and protecting the rights of Black transgender people, a group that is unfortunately marginalized today and has been throughout history. You can check out their website at marshap.org if you're interested in learning more about them. But that's where all the sales from this box is going. This box cost $1 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of 51 bucks. There's the counter. Its name is clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market, if it has any worth. And then at the end of the video, we're going to break down the entire box, show you how much I paid versus how much the box is worth on the secondary market. Keep in mind too, if you're interested in purchasing any of these shoes, they will be available on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And sbmitch.com is the website address where you can go on your internet browser, type that in, press enter, and it'll take you there. Let's see what kind of shoes are going on in here. So these donation boxes are always filled with a bunch of, I mean, it's not worthless shoes, but it's just shoes that aren't really hyped in any sense of the word. So there's a good chance I won't know a lot of these, or any of them for that matter. I do see a Nike SB box. That's kind of weird. But yeah, I mean, this will be a cool little thing to do. Wow. This is a donation box, but it's got a lot of good stuff. So there's no loose pairs. Let's see. The first one is a Nike ID box. It's a size 10. They're worn. It's a JANOSKI. It's a STEFAN JANOSKI mid. It's a Nike ID, so you can customize. On the heel it says CMNDS, which I think is Command S, so like save. But it's got this like paisley texture on it. The outsoles are in good shape. These are actually really good skating shoes. JANOSKI mids, and it's got Zoom Air on the insole, so this is actually a surprisingly good shoe to get in a donation box, in my opinion. I like JANOSKIs. I don't have any because I don't skate anymore, and if I were to skate, I'd probably choose a Bruin over a JANOSKI, but still, very cool shoe. Size 10. JANOSKI mid, Nike ID. Wow, that's pretty crazy. Got an Air Jordan Dub Zero in a size 9. This looks like it's a white cement Dub Zero. This is an older shoe. It's got a really good amount of star loss and some heel drag, but oof. Can you see the heel drag? It's got heel drag out the waz. So it's definitely gonna need either a sole swap or just, it'll be a knockaround shoe. These are actually not bad. Dub Zeros, size 9. Cool. These are probably from like 2006. I mean, you can tell by the box, it's like a mid-2000s Jordan. There's a bunch of Nike skateboarding in here. This is awesome. Got a size 9 Air Force One Premium. This is definitely an old school box. This is probably a little bit older too. So the colorway says Baroque Brown. It's an all leather upper. It's Baroque Brown. There's a good amount of stars still on here. Not much heel drag. And it's a brown Air Force One. Now, granted, these are probably from like 2005 maybe. Let me see. Yeah, looks like 2004. So it's got some years on it. The nice thing about older pairs like this is when they have an outsole that's stitched on, there might be separation around the toe boxes, but these will stay on here. So there you go, size 9, right? Baroque Brown Air Force 1 from 2004. That's pretty cool. Another vintage Nike. It's a size 9.5, a Nike Dunk Mid. Wow, these are actually really cool. It's a non-SB Nike Dunk Mid. This colorway is cool. There's a lot of damage going on here, so you definitely need to be willing to beat these up a little bit more or restore them. The colorway says white proto black varsity blue. This is a really nice looking shoe. It's got a lot of heel drag and a lot of star loss though. Actually no, there's more star loss than heel drag. And there's that damage right there on the toe, but dang, this is a really cool colorway. Size 9.5 is a good size too. This looks to be old too. Cool, 9.5, Nike Dunk Mid. I honestly haven't seen a Dunk Mid that's not an SB, so that's a first for me. Got a New Balance here, size 7.5. Wow, it says burn rubber on here. Dude, this is a surprising shoe to get in this box. So the colorway is called Werner's. If you're from Indiana, you know that Werner's is the best ginger bear that's widely available. I'm not a huge green fan, but this is a really cool colorway. Yeah, okay, so Werner's, the whole thing with Werner's is it's super carbonated. You can see the bubbles on the insole, which is very cool. So this is a collaboration with Burn Rubber, which I think is out of Detroit. They did a couple New Balance collaborations. This is really exciting. This is a Werner's New Balance Classic. Wow, cool, man. This box is awesome. There's still 4 pairs in here, and they're all Nike SB boxes too. Got a JANOSKI Max in a size 10. So this is a floral colorway with black upper. It's a JANOSKI Max. It's called a JANOSKI Max because it's got an Air Max style outsole, but it's still a skating shoe. These are in pretty decent shape. It's kind of a weird looking colorway, more of a slip-on type thing. It's definitely lighter than the regular JANOSKIs, so you might not be able to skate them as hard, but cool pair. There you go, size 10, JANOSKI Max. Another Nike skateboarding. This is a sticker on the thing, so I don't know, this might be a replacement box. Okay, so these are a super lesser known Nike SB model. These are called the HYBREDs, like hybrid but with an E. These are a little bit older. It's like a chukka boot looking type thing. You can see the shape on it. It's kind of weird. The outsole is a normal Nike skateboarding outsole. Looks like there's a little bit of drag. These are older. I mean, these are, so it's a 2013 release, so it does have some years on it. It's all suede upper. Got this weird photo blue swoosh. This is really cool. I've not seen one of these in a long time or in person, so there you go. Nike SB Hybrid. Interesting. 2 more in here. It's so funny, there's so many Nike SB boxes in here. Nike SB Air JANOSKI Max 2 Premium. All right, so that's what it is. These look to be, I can't tell if they're dead stock or not. I gotta look closer. They might actually be, because this is still factory lace. So the other one might be tried on, I don't really know. It's exactly what it says on the box. It's like a camo type colorway. It does have this like kind of sock liner going on with it. It is a size 10, like I said. Not a bad shoe. It's kind of lightweight. The outsole is not super chunky. Doesn't look like it has the best grip for much of anything, but still a very slick looking shoe. And I think it's dead stock. I'm not 100% sure. JANOSKI Max, size 10. Dang, this box is fun. I like it. And the last pair is a tape box Nike SB, size 9.5, a Nike Dunk Mid Pro SB. What? This is surprising. So these are worn, but super lightly. They come with the secondary laces too. It's a Dunk Mid Pro SB. It's got the strap on it. These are super lightly worn. I mean, there's not much insole wear. I believe this colorway is just called like Sport Gray or something like that. Does it say on the box? Yeah, this is Sport Gray. So this doesn't have like a fun Nike SB nickname, but there's a lot of cool details on this shoe. I mean, you can see the perforations or the whatever these are called on the panel, side panel, like the opposite of it on the heel. All gray suede upper. There's very little outsole wear. I mean, these are in really great shape too. So, wow, this is an awesome donation box. Cool, size 9.5, Nike Dunk Mid Pro SB, which I did not expect to see in this box. Dang, this box is super awesome, and I'm really glad that we're gonna be donating all the profits from it, so, But you're here to see how much this box is worth versus how much I paid, which there's gonna be some kind of crazy amount of possible profit in here, so let's take a look at the breakdown. I could not imagine a better donation box for this channel. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, fix my mic. I'm not surprised, but that Dunk Mid Pro being in there is crazy. Like, that's definitely worth more than 50 bucks, I would imagine. So, hey, again, all these shoes will be available on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sbmitch.com. After we recover the $51 it costs to get this box, all profit from there on out will be donated to the Marsha P. Johnson Institute. You can check it out, marshap.org. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'm a fan of this video. Hope you are too. Hey, we'll see you next time. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.